In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly redeem a V-Bucks gift card if you are playing Fortnite on any platform, and you will be able to do it using any mobile device. The V-Bucks are going to be available regardless of the console that you play on, or even if you play on PC or mobile itself. So all that you have to do is go over to Fortnite.com. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to Fortnite.com. In here, tap these little lines and you will be able to sign into your account. I'm already signed in, so I only have my icon here, but you will see the option to sign in if you haven't. When you open this menu, you have to choose V-Bucks. So immediately upon tapping on V-Bucks, you will be redirected to this page. Redeem your V-Bucks card. Cards purchased at retail stores are redeemed here. An Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. If you have played Fortnite, you already have an Epic Games account. So all that you have to do is click Get Started below to find your Epic Games account and redeem your V-Bucks. So if you are already signed in like me, then you will be able to input the code right away. And if you aren't, then you will get instructions to sign in. So all that you have to do now is input the full code here. And as you can see, they do say, turn over your card and scratch off the security covering. So this is where you are able to find the code. The code that you need is located on the back of the card under a scratch off security covering. So just scratch that off, you will see the full code, input it here and tap next. Now, I don't actually have a full valid code to demonstrate in this video, but if you do, you will be able to input it here and receive the amount of V-Bucks on the gift card. You can repeat this process with as many gift cards as you have, and all of the V-Bucks are going to be available on the account where you redeem them. I hope I was able to help you on how to redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.